Good morning, YouTube. It's Monday morning, beautiful day in Central Florida. I am coming back at you with another video. This is Jackie with Travel Mom and Daughters. We're getting ready to go camping this week, so I bought a portable grill to use it to make s'mores. Where we camp, and that already has its own barbecue grill, but I'm still bringing my own, mainly for again for s'mores and stuff, or maybe use it for other stuff to cook. But it's a portable charcoal grill, barbecue grill. Who did I get? I think I got it at Amazon or Walmart. I don't remember, but I will link that information. It's called Isumer charcoal grill. It's pretty tiny. Of course, I gotta put some stuff together. Basically, what I gotta put together probably is like the handle stuff. This is the instructions. These are the parts that it comes with. I hate putting stuff together. However, this one came with like everything. So everything is in here. It also came with a Phillips screwdriver, which is cool because some items you buy that you have to put together doesn't come with the actual tools. So this is great because now I don't have to go looking for my tools. I know where it's at, but I don't have to look for it. I could use their tools. In here, let's see what's in here. Give me a second. Okay, so it comes with the screws and the handles. Basically, I guess is what I need to screw for the top. It comes with the little venting thingies. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this together. I'm probably gonna show you how I'm doing. I hate putting stuff together, but it looks pretty easy. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I want to show you what I have done so far. I'm doing the top. I already put the air vents, and now I am going to screw the handle, the grill handle. Oh, my feet, I'm on the floor. So okay, so oops, wrong one. So I'm gonna screw in the handles with the Phillips. Let's see. Alright, we got that one screwed in. Alright, make sure it's tight. Stay right here. Make sure this is tight. Okay, so we got that together. We have the vents working properly. So we got this part done. I am screwing the side handle now for the bottom part of the grill. Make sure it goes in right. Yay! Don't give me a hard time, buddy. Here we go. There we go. Make sure the screws are in very tight. Okay, yeah, so I just finished putting the two handles on the side. Now I'm gonna put the front vent, and I'm gonna screw that in. And this is the size of the screws, little screws. So one goes here on the right side. Let's see. And I'm gonna put the other one, the left one, in there. And then we have the washer. These is little thingies. And I'm gonna screw this in. Ooh, I think it's time to cut the nails. Okay, so the front vent is put together. Now what we're going to do is put the legs, and I think we're like done. Yeah, we have to put the rackets to open it up. Okay guys, I'm done. All I gotta do is put like the legs. So we're gonna put this one part there, the other half. Oh, oops. Here we go. I guess it goes like that. And then I'm gonna put the other one. This is a good travel, little portable. You can put it on the table, leave it in your car. I think I put it wrong. I did. Did I? Huh. I guess that's how it shows. Yeah, I got it right. And then this is the grate for the charcoal. Does the grate go on top of these things? I think so. No. I don't think so. Does it? Maybe it does. Guys, if anyone knows, does the grate go on top? Because I think it looks like it does, right? And then there's the grill, right? That's the grill. And the top. There you go, guys. Little mini, oh God, excuse me. A little grill for traveling. I thought the grill was foldable. I guess it's not. I'll look into it. I thought it was really foldable. That's why I wanted it to fold. But this is the grill. I don't know. I think this goes under. But if it goes under, please somebody leave me a comment. Does the grate go on top or it goes under the metal thingies? Oh wait. Okay. It says the grate, and then I put. Okay. I don't know. Anyway, y'all, that was my little setup on the barbecue grill. Hope you like it. You know what to do. It's Jackie, Mom, and Daughter Travels. Cute little grill. Cute little grill. But I have to figure out, oh, wait a minute. I know. Hold on. Guys, I figured it out. Yes, this is what the it keeps it closed for traveling. So you just take it. Oops. There we go. There we go. Okay, it's good. It's good to go. I love it. Good for a little traveling. Yeah. Hey. Hey. All right. Put it in the car. You're ready to go. Let's go. I will link the information on where I got the grill. Have a good day, y'all. Peace.